Assalamu alaikum. This is Mubashra Aslam from the platform of Innovative Learning. The video is about conjunction and its types. So let's see the first slide regarding the conjunction. Firstly, we'll see the definition of conjunction. Then further, we will elaborate different kinds of conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. There are three major types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction. First kind of conjunction is coordinating conjunction. Let's see its definition. Coordinating conjunctions usually links elements of the same grammatical class. For example, it connects nouns with nouns, adverbs with adverbs, phrases with phrases, and clauses with clauses. Some important coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, or, nor, also, either, or, neither, nor. Let's see its examples. In the first sentence, Laiba and Najma are friends. Here, and is a conjunction which connects two nouns. In the next sentence, he walks slowly and lazily. Here, and is a conjunction which connects two adverbs. So these are the examples of coordinating conjunction. Next is the different kinds of coordinating conjunctions. The coordinating conjunctions are further divided into four types. First kind of coordinating conjunction is cumulative conjunction or copulative conjunctions. Second kind of coordinating conjunction is adversative conjunctions. Third type is disjunctive or alternative conjunctions, and then elative conjunctions. The first kind of coordinating conjunctions is cumulative conjunctions. Cumulative conjunctions merely add one element to the other. Some cumulative conjunctions are both, and, as well as, not only, but also. Let's see its examples. In the first sentence, Musarrat writes books and Zishan prints them. Here, and is a cumulative conjunction which connects both of the parts of the sentence. In the next sentence, Yasin got up and went to the bedroom. Here, and is a conjunction which connects two parts of the sentence. Yasin got up and then went to the bedroom. So these are the examples of cumulative conjunctions. Next kind of coordinating conjunction is adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunctions link opposite statements. Some adversative conjunctions are still, but, yet, whereas, while, nevertheless, and so on. Let's see its examples. The string is thin, but it is strong. Here the word but is an adversative conjunction. In the next sentence, the story is strange yet true. Here the word yet is an adversative conjunction. So these are the examples of adversative conjunctions. Next kind of coordinating conjunction is disjunctive or alternative conjunction. Conjunctive which present two alternatives are called disjunctive or alternative conjunctions. Some disjunctive conjunctions are either, or, neither, nor, otherwise, else, and so on. Let's see its examples. In the first sentence, grapes are either green or red. Here the words either and or are the examples of disjunctive conjunctions. In the next sentence, we will go to the river or stay at home. Here the word or is a disjunctive conjunction. In the next sentence, neither he nor his wife enjoyed the picnic. Here the words neither and nor are alternative conjunctions. So these are the examples of disjunctive or alternative conjunctions. Next kind of coordinating conjunction is elative conjunction. Elative conjunctions show result or logical judgment. Some elative conjunctions are hence, thus, because, as, for, and so on. Let's see its examples in the form of sentences. In the first sentence, somebody has come, for I have heard a knock at the door. Here the word for is an example of elative conjunction. In the next sentence, he was ill, so he did not go to college. Here the word so is an example of elative conjunctions. The second kind of conjunction is subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction introduces a subordinate clause. It links the subordinate clause to the independent clause. Here is a simple list of subordinating conjunctions. After, although, as if, as long as much as soon as so, because, even if. Even though, if, in order that, in case, in the event that, lest, only if, provided that, since, so, supposing that, then, though, till, unless, until, when, whenever, where, whereas, wherever, whether or not, while. Next kind of conjunction is correlative conjunction. So let's see its definition. A correlative conjunction consists in a pair of conjunctions that work together. These conjunctions functions as a single conjunction. It relates one sentence element to the other. Coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions are single words, while correlative conjunctions work in pairs. Some of the correlative conjunctions are given below: both, and, either, or, neither, nor, hardly, when, not only, but also, rather than, as. Next is compound conjunctions. The phrases that are used as conjunctions are called compound conjunctions. Some of the compound conjunctions are given below: so that, provided that, as well as soon as long as, such as, in order that, as if, though, and so on. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share the video. Thank you.